Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Brendan here, and let me go ahead and show you exactly what you're going to get inside of your members area of Profit Maximizers. Now, you can see on the left side of your screen here that we have bonuses all the way to 40 here. There's bonus number 1 and bonus number 40 at the end. That's the first 40 set of bonuses. But you open up this Part 2 tab here, you're going to notice with the drop-down menu, you're going to have an additional 40 bonuses to choose from as well. So in total, you're going to have 80 different bonuses. Now, when I click on the first one, for example, which is the lost code, what it's going to do is it's going to show you the exact product that you are not only getting access to, but that you also have the rights to give away in order to make really easy commissions. So the first link here is going to be the giveaway link. All you're going to do is copy this link or go to this page, copy it, and that's what you're going to be giving away to people in exchange for giving you money, right? The second link here is the bonus graphic. Now, when you click on that, it's going to download the bonus graphic into your computer so that you can actually give people an image of exactly what you're promising them in exchange for buying things through your link. Now, this is literally the easiest way to make money online. All you do is you tell people, hey, go ahead and buy this product from my link, and I will give you 5 or 6 or 7 or however many of these bonuses you want to offer them in exchange for them purchasing that item. Now, after they've purchased that item, you give them the bonuses, you both shake hands, and that is basically the easiest business model on earth. Now, you go through here, every single one of these tabs is the exact same process. You get the giveaway link, the bonus graphic, and also the product cover here as well. Jonah's going to break down for you step by step exactly how he uses this to make really easy money. And in the members area, you're going to see a button here where he says how to use these bonuses. Jonah's going to show you exactly how to do that in the members area. So for your $17 investment today, you are not only getting access to 80 different bonuses that you can use for your own personal gain, and these are all products that have sold for about the same price as what you're investing into today. So you're basically getting 80 products for the price of one. Not only are you getting that, you're also getting the giveaway rights so that you can really leverage these bonuses to start making really good money online. Now, it's our opinion that this is an incredible proposition of value. Of course, it's your decision on your end whether you want this or not. In my opinion, this is an amazing investment. Because even landing just an extra 2 or 3 sales by giving away these bonuses, it pays for itself, right? You just need to make one sale and you've already paid for your entire investment. And when you've got 80 bonuses that you can give away to make commissions, of course, it's going to be easy to make lots of money with this. If you have any questions about this as well, we have a team and a support desk that is here to help you and guide you to make sure that this works out for you. And this is backed with a money-back guarantee as well, so there really is no risk with this. But anyways, that's a little bit of a breakdown of exactly what you're getting with your investment today. It's 80 products for the price of one that you also have giveaway rights for. And if you get it during the launch, it's $17. So hope to see you in here. Have any questions, let us know, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.